We are from GamingWorks. We build simulations to support organizational change. And today we take a closer look at the Challenge of Egypt, an agile simulation. The context of this simulation is the old Egyptian era. The pharaoh, he wants to secure his afterlife. And the priest inventorizes his request and say, okay, pharaoh, in that case, you have to build a pyramid. So this is a one-day simulation with 10-11 participants. In this team, we have different roles who will execute the program. The life of the pharaoh is very unpredictable at this moment. That's why the team decided to build this big pyramid not in 15 months, but in small parts. In each sprint, the team will build a small pyramid that supports the requirements of the priest and the pharaoh. This is what we call agile working. The workshop consists of two big parts. In the morning, we have the preparation workshop, and in the afternoon, we're going to build the products. In this preparation workshop, the whole team will be active. The architect will design the products together with the priest and with the pharaoh. The quality expert will work together with the architect to define the quality checklist and the acceptance criteria. The team will start preparing the process of mining and shipping and calculate how much stones can we build in one sprint. The risk expert will identify potential risks together with every stakeholder in the team and put them on the risk log. The project admin will discuss the process of reporting and capturing data, and will work together with every role in this team to identify how we capture the data and how we're going to present it. During this process, the Scrum Master will facilitate the team, will help them, will give them tips, and the whole team must work together to prepare for this big project. Finally, the last product we have to design is the Kanban that will give us a clear picture of the products that needs to be built during this program. In the second step, we're going to prepare the sprint. It's typically agile. We're going to define what is the work we're going to do in the upcoming sprint. This work is based on the amount of work we can handle as a team. So in the sprint preparation, the team will prioritize the backlog and pull the work into the sprint backlog. After the sprint preparation, we will take the first piece of work and put it into doing. Doing means we're going to work on it. We're going to work in a sprint, and at the end of the sprint there should be a working product. The sprint consists of 5 months. After each sprint there is a sprint review in which we demonstrate the product to the stakeholders, the pharaoh, the priest, the architect, and we get feedback. Do we like it? Or maybe we don't like it? Or new ideas? And this is called the sprint review. At the end of the last sprint, we have the final product, which doesn't need to be the original design. Maybe because of feedback and lessons learned, we built another product. Important for agile work is that all stakeholders are happy with the outcome of the program. If you start an agile way of working in your company, then the Challenge of Egypt is a perfect way to introduce this way of working and change the mindset of your employees.